Hello and welcome friends. I am a digital mentor Ankit in Aanav Creations. So today we are going to start our next topic, breaking down your data for insights. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications, and like this video as well. Watch this video till end so that you can get all the details. Let's get started. Welcome back friends. As you all know, our topic is breaking down your data for insights. Insights means analysis. In this video, we are going to take a look at a web analytics technique called segmentation. Segmentation helps you break down and understand the data you get from web analytics in smaller chunks to help you get more insights and improve your website's promotion. Let's go back to the guest house example, where one of your goal is to get people to book a room at the guest house. If you use your web analytics tool and look at your high level data, you might learn that only 3% of all the data your website visitors are indeed signing up. To understand this a little better, you can use segmentation to break down all those visitors by different groupings. First, let's break it down by geographic segments, starting with the country. As it's turned out, when we look at our visitors by where they live, there are some big differences in whether or not they book a room, and that makes sense, right? People in the UK, for example, represent a big percentage of our visitors, and they are converting at 6%, which is twice the average rate. When we look at visitors from India, though we see a fair bit of traffic but a really low conversion rate of 1%. Immediately you have got a good idea. Adding a bit of content tailored to Indian visitors could help you get more bookings. For example, adding some more information about the best ways to get out to the guest houses after landing at the page at the IJI airport would help. Let's dive deeper. We will break down the Indian segment even further into specific cities. Here we can see that Bengaluru and Chennai stand out as more likely to make a reservation. Perhaps running some local advertising campaigns in those cities could help you get more bookings. So, what's the big deal with the segmentation? Well, as you are starting to see, segmentation gives you some insights you can action upon. Fun, right? Let's back up and segment up by something different. How about the ways people are getting to our website? This can help us answer questions like, are people who come from social media more likely to book a room? When you break down your visitors by where they came from, you can see the differences between your organic search traffic, paid search traffic, social media traffic, and much more. And this can help you decide where you want to invest your time and resources as you build up your digital marketing campaign across lots of different channels. Let's do one more. This time we will chop up our visitors by the kind of device they are using, and we will be able to see any differences between things like desktop computers, tablets, and smartphones. Here we get more valuable information as before. People on computers and tablets are booking on to the tune of 4%, but people on smartphone almost never make a reservation. To improve things, you could work on making your website more mobile friendly, or see if there are issues with how many online your bookings process is working on smartphones that you can fix it. And that might help increase the number of bookings that you are getting. Another impactful insights. So that segmentation is very useful. Of course, you can slice and dice by just about anything that piques your curiosity. But the general idea is this: break things down into smaller groups and find insights that can help you figure out how to improve. So dive in, start segmenting, and see what kind of answers you can find. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button of this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.